having winter squash and summer squash and even pumpkins while dealing with the squash vine borer. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com. The squash vine borer is an insect or a moth that can devastate your winter and summer squash and even attack your pumpkins. Cucumbers and melons are less frequently attacked. The only exception to the winter squash is butternut, as the stem is too thick and tough for the moth to burrow in to lay its larva. It's most active in mid-June through July. Home gardeners fight the issue. What occurs is the moth early in the developmental stage of the zucchini plant, for example, burrows in at the base and lays its larva. You come out and the plant looks like it's needing water. You water it, and by the next morning the plant is flat on the ground. That larva has already ate the internal portions of the plant, which distributes the water from the root up to the leaves. What you need to be aware of is be vigilant of all your squashes early on. Look at the base, squeeze the base. If the base feels like a straw, you've got larvae in there. If it's firm, you're fine. You can also look for honeydew that's emitting out of the base of the plant. It'll look like a pile of sawdust. You'll want to surgically open up just a small opening in the side of the squash plant. Remove the larva, usually 6 to 8 larvae in that plant, and then you'll be fine. You can check it the next day by cutting a little bit more up the plant, but that's the surefire way that you can have zucchini and winter squash. This Michigan Garden Moment is brought to you by migardener.com. With over 450 varieties of heirloom and organic flowers, vegetables, and herb seeds, all for 99 cents a pack. Find out more at migardener.com.